Hello and welcome to another episode of Digital Decode. I am Subhashree and today we will discuss how leveraging data can help the automotive industry stand out in the competitive market with enhanced customer experience. As digitalization is shifting the automotive industry from the traditional sales model to one where personalized customer experiences play a crucial role, the importance of knowing your customers better cannot be stressed enough. From initial contact to after-sales support, CX is the sum of customers' perceptions, emotions, and satisfaction levels throughout their journey with your brand, and data is the key to addressing customer needs and creating value for them at every stage of their journey. Modern car buyers are more informed and have multiple choices, and if you want long-term loyalty from them, understand their needs and challenges. With predictive data analytics, you can develop a deeper understanding of your potential buyers and their preferences to employ a data-centric strategy for automotive sales and service. Moreover, customer data gives dealerships the information they need to customize the buyer's online and offline journey, reflecting their care for customers. With changing industry demand, businesses that smartly use data to deliver a seamless and personalized customer experience stay ahead of the competition. Be it forecasting market demand, creating interactive virtual showroom experiences, identifying supply chain weaknesses, or optimizing sales and marketing efforts, data-driven decision-making ensures seamless, quick, and efficient business operations while delivering optimal digital experiences in the automotive industry. And that's a wrap for today's episode. Stay tuned for decoding the digital world with us.